Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody in betwixt, this your boy King Prime.
It's your boy Side of God.
You know who we be.
TDIP.
Obviously. Guys, we need you.
We need you.
Quick rundown. You guys helped us to get to the nomination stage of the ITVB Creators Awards. Guess what? It worked. We're in the nomination stage, and now we need your vote.
We are nominated for Rising Star Award.
Yes.
The ITVB Creators Rising Star Award, and we need to win it.
We need that award. So what you guys need to do is click the link in the description. Go to the website, and it's going to give you two options. It's going to give you the option of follower/subscriber, and you want to vote in the creator category, and then you click next, and then you scroll all the way down to the bottom to the ITVB creators category. You're going to see our name at the top. Select our name, scroll down, hit submit. It will take you less than a minute. The most important thing is that you can vote as many times as you want. So please, please, please utilize every single email you have. And if you need to, use your mum's. It's your boy King Prime.
It's your boy Side of God.
You know who we be.
TDIP.
Obviously. And until next time, family, people say peace. Brace yourself.
Oh
my God. This.
Right, let's go. Let's
Full
get
disclosure,
it.
I've seen this, bruv.
Let's get
it.
Woo.
Bruv, I did not think this come out with smart this guys.
Hold you, my fam. I know it's hard
Sorry, Courts.
to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone. Now they're clown up between us all, and the road ain't so clear, but we can still walk across. 'Cause I know it's hard to be alone. A soul with no face is a lonely embrace, but I know it's hard, and I know it's hard to be alone, to be alone. Yeah, yeah. Oh, so little. Won't you come to me now? I wanna hold you in any way I know how. 'Cause it's lying high
Go on, talk to them.
with the power of arms. I wanna hold you in any way I know how. Yeah. But if there rain, or am I crying again?
Clack clang. Clack clang. Clack clang. Oh, that was hard. Come on, man. Ah. Soul. That blues. Rhythm. Come on. The Teskey brothers. There was only one guy.
No, there's another Don. There's another brother. Just this one just happened to be singing, bruv.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Raspy.
Brother.
Just raw, aggressive tone.
Yeah.
Like melodic.
Bro.
Smooth.
Brother. It's when I listen to this, like Crow put me onto this guy in there. When I listened to it, bruv, I was in awe when she told me about this, bruv. And I'm just like, it really kind of makes you really wake up and understand that us here in the UK and some parts of the US and stuff like that would really closed off when it comes to music, because this man's from Australia, bruv. This man is from Australia, and
Yeah.
the world is filled with beautiful fucking music, man.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, that was fucking cold.